Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many people face, swollen feet. Whether it's due to long hours of standing, pregnancy, or other health conditions, swelling can be uncomfortable. But don't worry, we've got some effective home remedies to help you find relief. Let's dive in. Understanding swollen feet. First, let's understand what causes swollen feet. This condition, known as edema, occurs when excess fluid builds up in the tissues of your feet and ankles. Common causes include prolonged sitting or standing, pregnancy, high salt intake, injury or inflammation. Now that we know the causes, let's explore some natural remedies to ease the discomfort. Home remedies for swollen feet. Here are some effective home remedies that you can try at home. 1. Elevation. One of the simplest remedies is elevating your feet. Lie down and prop your feet up on pillows. This helps reduce swelling by promoting blood circulation and allowing fluids to drain away from the feet. 2. Epsom salt soak. Next, try an Epsom salt soak. Dissolve about half a cup of Epsom salt in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which can help reduce inflammation and swelling. D3. Cold compress. A cold compress can also work wonders. Wrap some ice in a cloth or use a cold pack and apply it to your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. Herbal remedies. Herbal remedies can be beneficial too. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, while dandelion can help eliminate excess fluid. You can make a ginger tea or dandelion infusion to sip on throughout the day. Hydration. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out excess sodium, which can contribute to swelling. Adding a slice of lemon can also boost your hydration efforts. Compression socks. Consider wearing compression socks. These specially designed socks apply gentle pressure to your legs and feet, improving circulation and reducing swelling. Lifestyle tips to prevent swollen feet. Now, let's talk about some lifestyle tips to help prevent swollen feet in the future. 1. Regular movement. Make it a habit to move around regularly, especially if you sit or stand for long periods. Simple ankle rotations and stretches can promote circulation. 2. Reduce salt intake. Be mindful of your salt intake. Excess salt can lead to fluid retention, so try to limit processed foods and opt for fresh ingredients when possible. 3. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight can also alleviate pressure on your feet. Incorporate a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. To recap, swollen feet can be uncomfortable, but with these home remedies and lifestyle tips, you can find relief and prevent future swelling. Remember, if your swelling persists or is accompanied by other symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share your favorite remedies for swollen feet in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your feet.